Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. Too many followers asking same question over the email, saying that if I did the dual employment, if I approach product based organization or US based organization, how background verification they will do. Okay, the background verification process is same, common for all organization across the India. If you go out of India, background verification process will be different. In US they will do ID based verification. Okay, not only in US, apart from India, every organization doing ID based verification. There will be ID like a UN number in which they can track where you work and where you have bank account, everything in US. In India, the ultimate unique ID is UN number. Even though if you hide, they will identify and then they will fire you. So what is the next level of terminations? If you got termination, again if you join in the new organization, you will receive multiple termination. End of the day, your profile will be blacklisted. Okay, so please be careful while approaching into new organization. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.